Alright, good morning everyone. It's Christmas Eve morning and I was in the mood to make a video, so let's get into it. I want to start out first by saying Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Have a safe holiday and have a Happy New Year. Alright, so you notice my hat. I'm representing my Bills again. For those of you who don't know, my Buffalo Bills have made it to the playoffs. I'm very excited about that as it doesn't happen very often. I'm hoping that this is the year we finally make a deep playoff push. Alright, so in today's video, I just wanted to do one last lawn update for the year. We've been having some really mild temperatures for December. Yesterday, I think it was in the low 50s. Christmas Day is going to be in the 50s. It's pretty unusual for this time of year. But I figure, lets me get outside and show you the lawn. It's still looking pretty green considering it's already the end of December. So we'll talk a little bit about that. Plus, my son had a great idea.
Hey Dad, you should have a mascot for your YouTube channel. Look, I lost a tooth.
Alright, so you heard it right. Today's video, we're going to build a mascot for the channel. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any videos. Hit that thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And what I want you guys to do is come up with a name for the mascot. And in my next video, I'll randomly pick a comment, and that'll be the name for the channel's mascot. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so here's the yard. It's the end of December. It's not looking too bad considering the last couple of weeks we've had some really cold temperatures, especially at night. Like I said, the last few days it's been in the 40s, and today's in the 50s. But you can see how green it still looks. Just some projectors here for Christmas, you know, for the kids. But here's how it looks. Now this spot right here, this is where I had my Halloween decorations. The weather got cold, so it really thinned out. But that's easy. That'll come back in the springtime. If we look real close here, you can see how green it really looks. Of course, you have some yellowing, but that's cool season lawns. All right, so now I'm going to take you to the backyard, so hang tight. Okay, so here's the backyard. We pretty much went all summer with no water. In my previous video, I'll put it in the eye, I showed you what summer heat does to a cool season lawn. So the reason why I'm showing you this is in 2020, this is going to be the main focus of my videos. 2019 videos, there was pretty much all my front yard. But this is going to be my project for the spring and into fall. Okay, so you can see it still looks pretty green considering. Yes, it has looks a little bit pale, but I mean, I think that's pretty typical for the end of December. You can see that big spot. I'm sure you guys are wondering what that is. That is where the kids' trampoline was. You know, I mean, I've got two young kids, so it was either stop them from playing in the yard or just let it be. And at the end of the day, it's the backyard, and well, that's going to be next year's project. But yeah, you can see a lot. Let's get down here. A lot of bare spots, a little bit of yellowing considering everything, but I just wanted to show you guys this. This will be next year's project. So if you haven't done already, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any videos. All right, guys, now I know you've been waiting for it, so let's get right to it. It's time to build a mascot.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Alright guys, there he is in all his glory. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and help name him. In my next video, I will be randomly choosing a name from the comments. So, if you want me to pick your name, make sure you leave that comment. Alright guys, what a stud, eh? Alright, this is my last video of 2019, so have a Merry Christmas, enjoy your holidays, and stay safe. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy your day in the lawn.